What happens when a confidentiality agreement becomes the juiciest leak of the year? Today, we're diving into the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 leak that showed up not as a blurry street photo, but as an actual confidential preview agreement. I'll walk you through the NDA drama, the specs that slipped out, why this could be a real game changer for pocket gimbals, and what it means for October or November launch rumors. Stick around, because I'll save the most interesting bit for the end. So here's the spicy part. Someone signed a DJI confidential preview agreement and boom, the document surfaced. It reads like corporate Fort Knox. No public testing, no recording, no showing it off. Break that agreement and you're looking at a $1 million yuan fine. That's not just a deterrent, that's a full stop. No wonder the prototype photos so far look like they were shot from behind a curtain, but NDAs never stop everything. A few details slip through, and those details are exactly why we care. Trust me, the legalese is boring until it reveals actual dimensions and weight. Weight and size are the headline numbers here. The Pocket 4 reportedly weighs around 116 grams without accessories, which is dramatically lighter than the Pocket 3. Dimensions are tighter too, making it noticeably more pocket-friendly. Imagine more camera tech crammed into something lighter than before. That means DJI probably rethought materials and internal layout, and maybe swapped to a denser, smaller battery. The takeaway: better portability without the feeling that DJI cut corners. Now for the nerdy fun stuff. Rumors point toward dual cameras, with a primary one staying at a 1-inch class sensor for low light and cinematic shots. The secondary candidate is an OmniVision style high megapixel sensor that could enable lossless cropping or a 2 to 3 times in sensor zoom. Think mid-range telephoto without a bulky lens. If DJI pairs that with faster HDR readout and solid processing, we could see higher resolution stills and smarter reframe options in post. Possibility of 8K maybe coming from that secondary sensor, while the main sensor keeps the strong low light performance and high frame rate options. Stabilization looks like the usual 3-axis gimbal plus upgraded active track and AI-powered tracking improvements. Screens might expand to a rotatable O, LED in the 2 to 2.5 inch range, and possibly a small rear display for selfies. Hasselblad color science could still be in play, so colors look ready to use straight out of camera. Audio and accessory support seem improved with stereo mics and compatibility with DJI Mic 2. Battery life whispers suggest longer uptime, maybe multiple hours per full charge depending on settings. This is shaping up to be a compact package designed for creators who want pro features without a backpack of gear. Okay, here's the wrap. If these leaks hold up, DJI is doubling down on portability while adding serious camera flexibility. It's the kind of upgrade that keeps the Pocket line relevant against phone alternatives and upcoming competition. So, what do you think? Is lighter and smarter worth breaking an NDA over? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love leak deep dives and hands-on rumors, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss when we test this thing for real. I'll catch you in the next one.